We are now going to look at price quotes. Here is a currency pair price quote or dealing rate taken from the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. It tells me what currency pair the price quote is for. It tells me what price I can buy the Australian dollar to the US dollar at. And it tells me what price I can sell the Australian dollar to the US dollar at. Let's now go to the trading platform and look at a live price quote. Hi traders, I'm just in the trading platform and I'm looking at the Australian dollar to US dollar 15-minute chart, and we've just been discussing the buy and sell prices. So you'll find the buy and sell prices in the top left corner of the chart. So here we have the buy price and then next door the sell price for the Australian dollar to the US dollar.